Alright, mate, what can I do for you? Alright, mate, I'm the next door neighbour. I can see you putting in a septic tank here. How much would you charge me to install a new septic tank in my house? About 15, 20 grand? 15 to 20 grand? Are you having a laugh? It's a going rate, isn't it, mate? Isn't there an alternative? Yes, there is. Save yourselves £10,000 to £13,000 and get yourself a government-approved septic tank kit. These kits start at only $1999. You get everything. You get the pipework, the connectors, shallow dig, low profile septic tank, you get an inspection chamber and the drainage field crates. They're also really easy to install and will just take you or your builder a few hours to install it. You also get free delivery, so save yourselves £10,000 to £15,000 with these government approved septic tank kits. Whoa, that's amazing! Where can I get a septic tank kit from? Well, that's easy. Just go to septictanksupermarket.com.